In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the arrow size in AutoCAD. If your leaders look too small or get lost on a dense drawing, you don't need to redraw anything. You'll adjust the style those leaders use so every matching arrow updates consistently. We'll use a simple built-in command, pick the correct style, modify the arrowhead settings, and save the change. Start at the command line and type MLS, then press Enter. This opens the Style Manager for multi-leaders, where all your leader styles are listed. Think of a style as a template that controls how the arrowhead, leader line, and text behave. Changing a style updates every leader that uses it, so it's the fastest, most consistent way to make your arrows larger. Next, identify the style your leader belongs to. If you already know the name, just click it in the list. If you're not sure, an easy trick is to select a leader in your drawing first, then type MLS and press Enter. AutoCAD will open the manager and automatically highlight the matching style in the list, so you're working on the exact one you need. With the correct style highlighted, click Modify. This opens the style settings where you can control the arrowhead symbol, its hue, and other appearance options. To make your arrows bigger, look for the arrowhead size field. The size value uses your drawing's units, so increasing it will scale the arrowhead proportionally. For example, doubling the size will roughly double how large the arrow looks on screen and on plotted output. If your project follows a particular drafting standard, keep that in mind when choosing the new size. You can also switch the arrowhead symbol if you want a different look, but that's optional if you only need a larger arrow. As you adjust the size, use the preview area in the dialog to get a quick visual check before you commit. A small change often goes a long way, so bump the value up gradually until it feels right for your layout and scale. When you're satisfied, click OK to save the changes, then close the manager if it's still open. Your leaders that use this style will update immediately to the new arrow size, keeping everything consistent throughout the drawing. If you don't see the change right away, zoom to refresh your view or regenerate the drawing. And that's it. By using the MLS command, selecting the correct style,